In multi-developer environments, chaos can reign without a structured workflow. Conflicting code changes, lost updates, and integration headaches are common. How can teams navigate these challenges effectively? This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. A structured workflow is crucial for maintaining order. It ensures that every developer knows their role and responsibilities, reducing errors and improving collaboration. Let's explore how Git branching can help. Git branching is a game changer for collaboration. It allows developers to work on features independently without disrupting the main codebase. This organized approach enhances productivity and minimizes conflicts. With branching, teams can manage code changes efficiently. It provides a clear history of modifications, making it easier to track progress and revert changes if needed. Let's dive into effective branching strategies. Choosing the right branching model is key. GitFlow offers a robust framework for managing releases, while GitHub Flow is simpler and more flexible. Each has its strengths depending on your team's needs. Evaluate your team's workflow and project requirements. A well-chosen strategy aligns with your goals, ensuring smooth development and deployment processes. Now let's shift our focus to AWS EC2 deployment. AWS EC2 is a powerful tool for deploying applications. It offers scalable computing capacity, making it a popular choice for teams looking to deploy efficiently and cost-effectively. Understanding EC2's role in deployment is crucial. It provides the infrastructure needed to host applications, ensuring they run smoothly and reliably. Next, we'll explore integrating Git with AWS EC2. Connecting your Git repository with AWS EC2 streamlines deployment. Tools like Code Deploy and scripts automate the process, ensuring that updates are deployed seamlessly and efficiently. Integration reduces manual errors and speeds up deployment. By automating these processes, teams can focus on development rather than tedious deployment tasks. Let's look at automating deployment processes further. CI/CD pipelines are essential for seamless deployment. They automate testing and deployment, ensuring that code changes are integrated smoothly and errors are caught early. Automation reduces human error and accelerates the deployment cycle. By implementing CI/CD, teams can maintain high code quality and deliver updates faster. Now, let's discuss best practices for team collaboration. Maintaining code quality and consistency is vital. Code reviews and automated testing help ensure that standards are met, reducing bugs and improving overall quality. Effective communication is key to successful collaboration. Regular meetings and clear documentation keep everyone aligned and informed. Let's recap the key strategies we've covered. We've explored Git branching, AWS EC2 deployment, and automation. These strategies enhance team efficiency and streamline development processes, ensuring smooth collaboration and deployment. By implementing these strategies, you'll improve your team's workflow and productivity. Now, let's move to our call to action. Take the first step today. Evaluate your current workflow and identify areas for improvement. Implement Git branching and AWS deployment strategies to enhance your team's efficiency. Join us in the next video to dive deeper into advanced Git techniques. Together, we can master the tools that drive successful development. Remember, by optimizing your workflow, you'll boost productivity and collaboration. Let's continue this journey together. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials. Let's build better software, one step at a time.